What's up guys, it's Toby, back at it again with another video. I know I've been MIA for a while and I wanted to just kind of, deal with things with, life stuff. So with that, I wanted to do a Toby makes again. I think I really enjoyed making that first video with the Vietnamese coffee. But you know what? I had my own idea to make 5, yep, not 1, but 5. I think this is how you pronounce it. Wawa noodles? They're like the second, or what you would call it, addition to like mama noodles. But yeah, I'm about to make 5 of these and eat it. Yeah, I know. Insane. So with that being said, I'm gonna just cut right into it. Alright, so I just got done cooking and I have to say, like, yo, I don't know if I could I don't know if I could do this. Like, it's crazy. It's crazy. Some leftovers too from yesterday. But yo, 5 packs of noodles into this full plate. It basically looks like spaghetti, to be honest. But dude, what in the world am I doing? What am I doing? Alright, let's see if I can eat this. Alright, as you can see, I finished it. I took a break in between, but it's done, guys. I did it. It's done. Yay. Yeah, but you know what? Never again. I'm never doing this. I mean, I'll make the food, but dang, dude, I am. Oh, I'm good. I'm good. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. I'll catch you guys next time.